Yo, what is up guys? It is Reefs here, back with another video. Today is the second episode of reviewing my subscribers' Instagram theme pages. I'm very excited to make this video today, and this is a very highly requested video, and I'm so happy to be able to do a part 2. I got even more people asking and DMing me on Instagram at ReefsYT. Go drop a follow, by the way. So I got a lot of DMs on Instagram from people wanting me to review their page, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. I'm super excited to make this part 2. And sorry if I don't have a bunch of energy today. I do kind of have a headache right now, but I got some medical Sprite to hopefully help me out a little bit with my headache. It is also my birthday, so if you guys could leave a like, I would appreciate that. I look like Lil Huddy right now. Just ignore it. I also look like Lord Farquaad. Just stop it. I don't want to hear the comments. If you guys want to be in the part 3 reviewing my subscribers' theme pages, go drop me a follow on Instagram at ReefsYT and DM me saying that you want me to review your page so that I have your permission to review it on my YouTube channel. Anyway, with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we're on our first Instagram theme page for today, and this theme page is Car Freaks IG. First of all, great name. I think this is a good name for an Instagram theme page. I like Car Freaks, and then IG, just saying Instagram. Okay, let's go. Profile picture, solid. This is a brand new account. I'm assuming he only has 90 followers. This is okay. He's following 400 people. It's always fine to be able to start a brand new account from zero. This is what we're doing here on the channel with another one of our series. And he's just a new account, so we can't judge anything about that so far. And, you know, profile picture is good. It's very captivating. And then, it's okay. So we have Car Freaks and then an emoji, and then for his bio, he put best car content on Instagram, follow for daily car content, DM for credit dash features, so it's like promo and stuff. So you know, it's very good so far. I like the bio. It's got emojis, it's captivating, it tells you about what kind of content he's going to be posting on his theme page. So pretty solid so far. And it looks like he has some polls here. And so yeah, we got some cool polls in here, and yeah, good job for doing polls. Instagram likes when people do polls. And let's go over some of his content. So all of his thumbnails or covers for his videos are pretty captivating, and they look nice. So pretty solid so far. Let's go over some of these videos. Oh, this one's posted on Reels. Good job, shout out to you for that. Using Reels right now is a really good tactic to grow, so that's solid. We got a very cool Shelby Mustang GT500 right here. This is a very cool picture, and I think it, you know, represents the page very well. It looks like he's making a lot of videos about drifting. I mean, drifting is very popular, and it's really interesting to watch. So those videos are really great, and they're really captivating. And yeah, it's pretty much all solid. Like, his content is very good, and I think he's picking perfect videos that represent his page well and what he's trying to go for. I mean, he's picking viral images and viral videos that could do well. I think the only downside that he's having right now is that he doesn't have that many followers, and so these videos aren't able to go viral as much as if he had like around 1,000 followers. He's not quite to that point to where his videos are going to hit the explore page and stuff. So right now, he's really only making content for his 90 existing followers, which is totally okay. He's on the perfect, correct path to becoming bigger on Instagram. And it's a very good page. He's got reels and he's got posts. They're all solid. They're getting a decent amount of views. I mean, look at this, 2,000 views, and he only has 900 followers. We got 3,900, almost 4,000 views on some reels where he only has 90 followers on Instagram. So this is very solid page. I like it a lot. He's picking the correct content to post, and I think if he can just keep doing follow for follow and keep posting consistently, he can grow this page exponentially. And yeah, it's just a solid page overall. Good job. I would give you a 9 out of 10. Okay, we are looking at the second page right here. We got raw.bikers. This is another vehicle page. Very nice. I love the vehicle niche on Instagram. It's like, yeah, there's a lot of viral content on Instagram for cars and vehicles, and a bunch of people like think that cars and vehicles are interesting, so it's a great topic to post about. And there's a lot of ways to monetize cars and vehicles because a lot of people are interested in it. So solid. And we got a great name, raw.bikers. I like it. I think it looks very nice, and it's solid. I'm surprised he actually got this name because, you know, I would think that this would be taken. Alright, so he does have a story up. Let's see what he's got on his story. New video, and yeah, some stories. So shout out to him for posting stories. That's pretty solid. It's always good to post stories on your Instagram theme page. Okay, so let's look at his bio. Okay, we got passion by bike photography. It's solid. And only raw quality videos, and videos picked by finger. Awesome. For partnership, use hashtag raw biker for possible shout out. Check out my latest video. So he's got a YouTube link. This is awesome. I really like everything about this page so far, and he's even got his own hashtag, which is very nice, so people can actually submit content to where he can feature them on his page and, you know, benefit the person who's making content for him, and he can also feature them back and benefit the other person. So this is very solid. And yeah, it looks great. He has 823 followers, following 2,000. So I'm assuming he is using the follow for follow method so far. And I don't think this page has been around that long. Only 169 posts and 800 followers, which is okay. He's off to an amazing start. I would say this is a very good theme page looking so far. And yeah, so for his content, he's got photos and videos. They all look like pretty viral content. I really like all of these photos. They're really high quality, and you know, the colors look nice and they match, you know, all of the rest of his content. It just looks solid. And let's see, does he have any reels? He does have some reels, and yeah, I mean, it's doing pretty decent so far. This one has 1,300 views. I think he's hitting his target audience very well. As we can see, you know, he's got 140 likes on average. It looks like around 140 likes for 800 followers. Pretty solid, pretty engaged, and I think if he just keeps posting and keeps doing what he's doing, that he's also going to be very successful on Instagram with this theme page. It is a solid theme page, and I would actually give it a 10 out of 10 so far. I mean, there's not really much I could say to where he would do any better. I mean, I think if he just keeps posting and keeps posting on reels and stuff, that he's going to grow exponentially as well. So these first two pages were very solid. We got our next theme page here, which is The Outdoor Instinct. And it's a very good name for a page. There's no dots or underscores or anything in his name. It's your daily whiff of Mother Nature. Join journey at his and then use hashtag that outdoor instinct to be featured. It's a solid bio. I like it. It's very captivating, and it's nice. It's a great bio, and it's pretty solid so far, I would say. Yeah. And he's got some polls, as we can see, and they're all solid polls. I like it. I like when people use polls. We know that Instagram does like when people use polls. And yeah, so let's see. Look at some of his posts. Oh, this one's very nice. Okay, so we got 300 likes on one day ago, and he has 2,000 followers. So that's pretty solid, and they're all pretty viral content. I like the posts. They're very nice to look at. They're all like wallpaper posts, and they just look very nice. And this one's solid. This one almost got 500 likes. It's just great photos and like viral content. He or she is obviously picking content that he knows or she knows that will do well on the page, and I think they're doing a very good job at that. And it's just a solid page. I think this is probably the nicest looking page out of the three so far. 231 posts, so he's relatively new. He or she's relatively new to the game as well. And they're posting quite a bit of reels, so they're doing good. None of them have really picked up yet, but I think if he just keeps trying and keeps posting these reels, then he will do well. As you can see, this one got 3,900 views, that one got 3,000 views. So I mean, he's on the road. I think if he just keeps posting reels and more posts, that he will keep growing very fast. Following almost 6,000 people, that is okay. You can always unfollow people, and he has 2,700 followers. This is a great page, and I actually love this page, and it looks very nice, and I think it's a solid page as well. I would give it a 10 out of 10 as well. I mean, none of these pages are bad at all by any means, and I can't really say anything where you can improve. I think if you just keep posting, then you're just gonna grow fast. We're on our final account for the day, and this one is a treat trend. I love the name, treat.trend. It's solid name. I actually love this name, and it looks really nice. It's very, like, not very long. Yeah, so he's got 43 posts, so he's another person that's relatively new to making an Instagram theme page, and 289 followers and following 500. Solid. Let's see what his stories. He's just announcing his new post. Always great to do. And we got cakes and bakes, sweet cakes, delicious treats. Follow for daily posts. Awesome. We love it. and he's got some growth things here. So 100 followers, that's cool. If he could post some polls, that would be nice. And yeah, I really like the content. I mean, look, he got 60 likes, almost only 300 followers. That's pretty good, I would say. You know, the cakes look very nice, and people really like the food like niche on Instagram, and it's just like a really captivating niche on Instagram, and people really like to watch these videos. Like, this video is very interesting, and this cupcake just looks delicious. Like, I mean, I'm gonna leave a like right now. Yeah, so he's doing a great job. He's posting videos, posting to reels, he's making viral content. I really like this one where it's like swipe and there's like 5 as well. That looks really nice. And yeah, he or she is doing a solid job of just posting consistently and, you know, picking content that is going to do well on Instagram. I think there's a lot of potential here. I think he or she should just post more reels, to be honest. They're posting videos, but I think they should just post more on Reels, because Reels currently right now is pretty much free engagement, and yeah, Instagram really likes when you post Reels. So 8 for this page, I would give it an 8 out of 10. For them, I would just say post more polls and post more on Reels, and I think they could grow really fast. I think they're doing very well so far, and I like this page overall. So yeah, okay, so that's gonna wrap up and conclude all the reviews for this video. Like I said earlier, if you guys want me to review your Instagram theme page, DM me at ReefsYT and also drop me a follow. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and got some creative criticism and maybe some help to grow your own theme page. So make sure to like this video, subscribe with post notifications on. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys for all the support. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.